some of our rarest wooden railway trains.
This guy's name is William, and we got him for Liam when Liam turned 4 years old. This used to be offered by Mattel. You could actually order this online and customize your engine and make your own train. So we had this one named after Liam. My custom Thomas engines, each one is completely different because everybody ordered it. There was 4 different trains, and with the 4 different trains, I think there was 4 different paintworks and then different designs. You could put different symbols on there and different numbers and different facial expressions and the whole 9 yards. It even came with a book. I remember we got it for Liam's 4th birthday. He loved it. And we just wanted to show you the book that he came with. This is a Celebrate book that came with it. So William was based on the Friendly Steamy. There was actually 3 or 4 different trains. This one was called Friendly. And then you could customize the number and the paintwork and all that stuff. We made this into William. It came with the book, and the book actually had tunnels and tracks that came with it. So the Steamy